given? No, I already taught. You can see the book also. In the book also it is given. You can take from the book also. Okay. Now, first you learn, okay, and then I will give the definition. Okay. Tell me, what mirror is this? What mirror?
Sir, it is not
Which
a
mirror?
mirror. Sir, it doesn't have, sir.
It is not a mirror. Yes. It is not a mirror. Now, which mirror is this?
Sir, concave.
Concave. Very good. Here is P, pole. Midpoint of the aperture is called pole, P. Here, where will be center of curvature? On the left side or on the right side? Which side the center of curvature will be? On the left or on the right?
Left side.
Sir, left
Left
side.
side, yes, because curving in
Left
the
side.
center of curvature is yes. I'll mark P over here. And I draw a line. What is this line known as? This line is called
Principal
what?
axis.
Sir,
Principal,
principal of axis.
principal axis.
Principal axis.
Yes, principal axis. Okay. And I'll mark a point F. Where should I mark the point F? In between, exactly in the middle of the line PC, in the midpoint of the line PC. Okay, what is the property of F? I take an incident light. This is incident ray of light, incident ray. What kind of incident ray of light we have? We are having the incident ray of light parallel to the principal axis. It's coming parallel, no?
Yes,
Parallel
sir.
to this side, parallel to this. Any incident ray parallel to the principal axis after reflection from a concave mirror passes through F. This will pass through F. This will pass through F after reflection. Reflected ray will pass through F. Draw the diagram.
Sir,
Draw
it
the
is
diagram.
passing through focus.
It is passing through focus. That is the property of focus. An incident ray parallel to the principal axis after reflection from a concave mirror passes through focus. Done.
Sir, we have to draw this and write that.
Yeah, draw this first. First you
Yes, sir.
draw. And now write down the focus of the focus. After this you write down the focus of a concave mirror. The focus of a concave mirror. The focus of a concave mirror is the point on its principal axis through which an incident ray parallel to the principal axis after reflection passes
Parallel to the
principal axis, parallel to its principal axis after reflection passes. So draw this diagram and you have written already, no? Okay. Done. You know, reverse is always true in life. Either after reflection passes, then reverse is always true. If a ray of light an incident ray of light is passing through F, after reflection it will become parallel. After reflection it will become parallel. It will go like this. Reverse is always true in light. The path of ray of light is reversible. Ray was coming like this, it will go like this, but now the ray is going this way, it will be becoming parallel now, just opposite. This diagram also you can draw. Or I can show another diagram here, just have a look at it. I am taking a ray of light like this. Tell me what will happen to the ray now? What will happen to the ray of light? This ray of light?
Sir, it will go
What will
parallel
happen?
with principal axis.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and ray of light is passing through F now will become parallel to the principal. It will become exactly parallel to this line, parallel to this axis. You can draw this diagram also. Just draw it. You may not write anything. Just draw. An incident ray passing through F will be parallel to the principal axis. Will be parallel. So please draw this. Draw it. Drawn?
No, sir. So once again.
Yeah. Draw. Any ray through F that is passing through F will become parallel to the principal axis. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Good. Now, there's another property. Any ray passing through C will return back along the same path. That is, any ray of light passing through C will be returning back along the same path, same direction it will return back. Draw this diagram also. Any ray passing through C, center of curvature, returns back along the same path. It will be striking the mirror, and after reflection, it will return back along the same path in the same direction. Like this, and it will go back along the same.
Sir, you did horizontal.
We can't hear you.
So we can hear you, sir. So net problem. So it is showing horizontal.
Sir, we can't hear you.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can hear
Any ray, please once again draw the diagram. Any ray passing through C will return back along the same path in the same direction. It will strike the mirror and return back in the same direction. Okay? Done. Finish.
Yes,
Just draw the
sir.
diagram. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm drawing another diagram. Which mirror is this? Tell me, which mirror is this?
So convex.
Convex. P is here. C will be on the right side or on the left side? C will be on this side.
So right side.
Center of curvature on the right side. Good. I draw a line. Principal axis. Where will be F? Where will focus of this mirror situated? Where will the focus of convex mirror
Sir,
situated?
pole between
P
pole
and
and
C.
center of conversion. Yes, sir.
Yes. And right one F. Where should we keep the objects? Objects should be kept on the left side of the mirror or on the right side. Which side we should? Incident ray will be coming from which side? From the left side or from the right side?
So
Which
left
side the
side.
incident ray will be coming from? From the left
So
side.
left
Because
side.
unpolished surface only receive the light. This ray now will extend like this. I'm having incident ray coming here. What kind of incident ray is there? It is parallel to the principal axis. This line principal axis is extended, this side also. What kind of incident ray we are having? We are having parallel to the principal axis. What will happen to this ray? This ray now will appear to pass through, will not be actually passing through F, but will be appearing to pass through F like this. It will dotted line here, it will appear to pass through F like this. It will be reflected in such a way that it appears by dotted line. It cannot actually go this side, actually it cannot go, really it cannot go this side. By dotted line, it's appearing to pass through F. So draw this diagram. Draw this. An incident ray parallel to the principal axis of a convex mirror after reflection appears to pass through it. Appears. It will not actually pass, but it will appear to pass through. That's why we say convex mirror has a virtual focus. Virtual means not the real focus. And concave mirror has a real focus. The ray actually passes through it, but here it will appear. Virtual focus it has, convex mirror, and concave mirror has real focus. Real focus. Please draw the diagram. Have you drawn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In case of convex mirror, it will be appearing. So dotted line will be used, imaginary line will be used. Now see the reverse. If any ray of light is coming like this way. So what will happen to the ray of light? This ray of light is appearing to pass through it, but after reflection will become parallel to the principal axis. Just the reverse. Just the reverse of this diagram.
Yes, sir.
Now the incident ray is coming like this as if it appears to pass through F. But after reflection from the mirror, it will become parallel to the principal axis. It will become parallel to the principal axis. Okay? Draw. Draw it. Draw this diagram also. Just reverse the arrow. You know, any ray passing through or appearing to pass through F will become parallel to the principal axis.
Sir, done.
Done. Okay. By chance, if I draw a line like this, see, this way, and incident ray is coming like this. Like this. What will happen to this ray now? Tell me, what will happen to this ray?
Sir,
This
it
ray
will
is coming
go.
as if it is passing through. It will go
Sir, it
parallel.
will go to principal axis.
It will go parallel to the principal axis. This way it will go. It will reflect in this way. Ray is going here, but reflected like this way. You can draw this also. You can draw this diagram also. You have to do it by using a ruler. You can use a ruler and do it. Done.
Sir, not done.
Okay, tell me once you finish it. Finished?
Sir, finished. Sir, finished.
Okay, good. Thank you. Now see, any ray in case of convex mirror which will appear to pass through C. Now, which will appear to pass through C. Now, this is the point C. We return back along the same path. Any ray of light, incident ray of light, which is appearing to pass through C, will return back in the same direction. We will not have a separate reflected ray. The ray is returning back along the same path. That is the property of center of curvature. Previous case also I showed any ray passing through C returning back along the same path. Here also any ray appearing to pass through C, because this is convex mirror. Everything will be appearing here in this case, virtual. Incident ray appearing to pass through C, we return back along the same path after reflection from the mirror. That means incident ray and the reflected ray will be the same, returning back along the same path. Draw this diagram. Have you done?
Yes, sir.
Sir, done.
Okay. Same way, I take a ray of light like this way. This is appearing to pass through C like this. What will happen to the ray now? Tell me.
Sir, it
What
will
will happen
go
to
back
this ray now?
same way.
It will return back along the same path like this. It will be striking the mirror and return back in the same direction along the same path. This will happen. If it appears to pass through S, then it will become parallel. But when it passes through C, it will return back along the same path. Reversibility will take place now in this case. Finished? Have you finished? Done, boys?
Sir, finished.
Okay, good. Now, this property which I showed, property of F and property of C, we use to draw ray diagrams and to know the characteristics of the image, to know the nature of the image. So first we will be drawing the ray diagrams for the formation of image by a concave mirror, and then we will do convex mirror. You can give the heading now, formation of image. Formation of image by a concave mirror. First one is concave mirror. Concave mirror. Formation of image by a concave mirror. Give this heading. And please use ruler and pencil and draw the diagram in the ruled page, okay? Don't draw it in a white paper, white sheet. Do it in the ruling page. The ray diagrams should be drawn on the ruling side of your pages, ruling page. If you have the ruled papers, then it's fine. You have to do it there only. There are different cases here. First case 1, case 2, there are 6 cases here. So we have to do one by one for all those cases.
So what happened?
There was internet issue also had gone.
Sir, you were saying something to draw the diagrams on the ruled side, sir.
Ruling paper. Where line
So
paper
all these
should be drawing
diagrams
the
you just
diagram.
now gave, we have to draw on ruling paper.
Yes, on the ruling paper.
Sir, but I
Okay, all the
did on the
diagrams.
right side of the paper.
No. That's what I'm telling. Not to do it there. Okay, do it on the ruling side. That will be easier. Do it on the ruling page.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First case 1 you write when the object is at infinity. Please write down. First case. When the object is at infinity. Write down. When the object is at infinity. Yes, case 1. When the object is at infinity. Case 1 you write when the object is at infinity. Okay, have you written?
Yes, sir.
Have you written?
Finished.
Okay. For this, the diagram will draw like this. This way we'll draw. Draw concave mirrors with P. Okay. You should draw the principal axis using one of the ruled lines. Using one of the ruled lines. This is the principal axis. Choose one of the ruled lines and overwrite with the pencil. Draw the pencil over the ruled line. Already the line is there. Just draw a line using the
Yes, sir,
pencil
done. Sir,
over
done.
it only. Okay. For the
Yes, sir.
sake of convenience, take 2 centimeters from ruler. From here, take 2 centimeter mark F. Further 2 centimeter mark C. 2 centimeter. P to F distance is 2 centimeter and F to C distance is also 2 centimeter. You can take 3 also, but equal you should take. You can take even 1, but 1 will be too small. So take 2 centimeters. 2 centimeter is sufficient. It's good. I mean the standard one. Distance of P to F is 2 centimeter. F to C is also 2 centimeter. Did you follow me, boys?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Yes,
Taking
sir.
2 centimeters.
Okay, 2 centimeter. Now, first ray we will take just above it. One ray will take just above the line. Exactly one line above. The object is at infinity. You know, the rays from infinity comes all parallel. They all will come in the form of parallel lines. One ray you take above this line, above. One ray above this line, exactly one line above.
Sir, done.
And this ray, you know what kind of ray it is? This ray is parallel to the principal axis. It will pass through F.
Okay, sir.
Take one ray below, one ray below. One ray below the principal axis. Again, using the same rule line, one line below, exactly one line below. Have you done it? Exactly one line below.
Yes, sir. Done.
Where will this ray pass? This ray will also pass through F. Where are the two reflected rays meeting? One reflected ray is here, another reflected. They are meeting here. Here is the image formed. Here is the image. Two rays are good enough to form the image. Here is the image formed. Here is the reflected. You have to bother the reflected ray. One reflected ray. This is one reflected ray. This is another reflected ray. Where are they meeting? They are meeting at this point. There is the image formed. Here. Image is formed at F. Exactly at F. Now you will be writing here below this characteristics of image. Write on here characteristics. Characteristics of image. Number one. First characteristics of image you have to write. First we have to mention where is the image
So
formed.
one
Where is
second
the image
writing.
formed? Image. Yeah. Take your time. So I will wait. And let me know once you finish it. Huh?
Sir, done.
Characteristics of image. Where is the image forming at F? Write down. Formed at, first point you write is formed at F. Formed at F. Where is the image formed? We said image is formed at F. F is what? Focus. When the rays come from infinity, you know that the image will be formed at F. Focus. Number two. We have to decide whether the image is real or virtual. We see the rays are really meeting. There is no dotted line used. The rays are actually meeting. We write the real. And the real image will be always inverted, upside down. Write down here inverted. Inverted. And the fourth point we will write size. We check the size of the image. The size of the image is very, very small, like a point. We say highly diminished. Diminished is the word used for small. And magnified is the magnified or enlarged is the word used for bigger image, bigger than the size of the object. Here we will be writing here highly diminished, highly diminished, highly diminished, highly diminished, highly diminished. What are the characteristics of the nature of the image in this case when the object is at infinity? The image is formed like F, image is real, image is inverted, image is highly diminished. And now write down below this use of this action of concave mirror. Where do we use this action of concave mirror? Write down this action of concave mirror is used. This action of concave mirror is used in solar cooker, dentist head mirror, dentist head mirror,
Used in solar cooker.
Dentist head mirror, dentist head mirror. Have you seen a dentist with a mirror on his head? That
Yes,
is
sir.
headphone tap only, but the mirror will be here right in front. Have you seen a mirror here? On the forehead, no, they have a mirror there, round one. Have you seen it? What? Have you seen it? Even in movies and all, or somewhere else, or in actual situation, have you seen it? You have seen it, no? Even the people who go in the mine, coal mines, have you seen them? They use a headlamp. They use a
Yes,
headlamp
sir.
here.
Yes, sir.
Head mirror. What is headlamp? Actually, headlamp is having a mirror, this mirror only, concave mirror. And the rays of light from a bulb and all will be hitting that mirror, and that mirror will focus the light at one point by forming the image highly diminished, which is like a focus. You know, all the rays will be very bright, focus will be there on a particular spot. Like whether there is any cavity in the teeth and all, they can easily check that because all the rays are converging or meeting at the focusing at one point. And that helps them to see whether there is any cavity or anything to see a minute object clearly. They use this technique. Solar cooker also uses. Have you seen a solar cooker, boys? Have you seen any one of you?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen a solar cooker? Solar cooker
No,
will be
sir.
having a box. I'll tell you about it, okay? If you have not seen it, I'll describe you. What is a solar cooker, okay? Solar cooker is a kind of box, like this kind of box is there, okay? There is a solar panel on top of it. Solar panel is there. You have to open the box. Once you open the box like this, here on this side there is a mirror. This side the mirror is this mirror only, concave mirror. Sunlight is coming from where? From infinity, from very far distance. Sunlight is striking the mirror and focusing here. All of them are focusing. And where the rays are focusing, the sun rays are focusing, there only there is a space to keep the dish or where you can keep the food which you want to cook. Then your food is, because sun rays contains large amount of heat, no? We know that fact. And all the rays, sun rays are captured by the mirror, large size mirror, and they all are forming the image at focus. All of them are focusing at one point, and that focus at particular point will be causing too much heat to be generated at that point. And that heat is used for cooking, and we call it a solar cooker. That is the whole idea about it. If question comes, name the mirror used in solar cooker. Name the mirror used. What is the name of the mirror? This mirror, concave mirror. Draw the ray diagram to show its action. The object must be at infinity and there focus. All the rays will be converging. Or name the mirror used as a dentist head mirror. Dentist mirror. What is the name of the mirror? Again, we said it and we draw the shape. This diagram only will draw.
Yes, sir.
Understood clearly? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Today we did one case. There are more cases coming in the next class and we will continue with the cases of formation of image. Okay, then
Yes,
thank you
sir.
for the day. Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.